This piece of equipment is the steam-jacketed kettle. It works best in cooking chili, soups, pastas, sauces, and stews. It is considered safer and faster than traditional stock pots on a stove. The steam-jacketed kettle is made from stainless steel for easy cleaning, with a reinforced rim for pouring contents into another container. The inside of the bowl contains markings, which represent the number of gallons of product in your kettle. The kettle in the quantity food production kitchen has a 20-gallon capacity. The temperature ranges from 150 to 295 degrees Fahrenheit. The heating light should appear orange, indicating that the appliance is engaged. The kettle must be filled with a minimum amount of distilled water, which is routinely done by a service provider in most facilities. To tilt the kettle, turn the arm towards the left. The kettle will be in a complete tilt after 23 turns. Be able to understand the desirable pour path of the food and adjust your receiving container accordingly. To clean, use rubber spatulas and kettle brushes only. Remove all food particles from the kettle. Add water and detergent and free any other food off of the kettle. Rinse with water and sanitizer, then allow to air dry. This piece of equipment is the tilt skillet. Examples of the uses of a tilt skillet include braising meats for a chicken fricassee, frying foods such as falafel, and simmering for a beef stew. The tilt skillet features coved corners for easy movement of food, easy cleaning, with a reinforced rim for transferring of food. The tilt skillet is made from stainless steel. The skillet contains markings to indicate the number of gallons the skillet can contain. The max capacity for the tilt skillet is 30 gallons. To turn the tilt skillet on, flip the switch on the water-resistant control housing to the on position. Then, turn the black knob towards the right to the desired temperature. To tilt the skillet, turn the wheel towards the right. Understand the pour path of food and adjust the location of your receiving container accordingly. Use long-handed tools when using the tilt skillet and steam-jacketed kettle for safety. Do not stand directly over the equipment to avoid burns. Wear long-sleeved clothing to protect yourself while cooking. To clean the tilt skillet, only use rubber spatulas and brushes. Remove all food particles, then add water and detergent to clean the inner surface, using a rubber spatula to loosen particles that were missed. You can also use a green scrubbing pad to clean tougher surfaces for both the tilt skillet and steam-jacketed kettle. Sanitize the tilt skillet and allow to air dry. If desired, you may use the tap attached to the tilt skillet to add water when needed. There is also a steam vent on top of the lid. Use this to add additional water or stock.
This last piece of equipment is the convection steamer. As its name implies, it is good for steaming a variety of foods, particularly vegetables, as well as meat, fish, seafood, and grains such as rice. The combination of steam and convection heat help to maintain the taste and texture of food while also reducing cooking time. Before using this piece of equipment, make sure that all utilities are properly connected. Also ensure that the switch within the panel on the right side of the steamer is switched on. Lastly, you'll need to check the inside of the steamer to make sure it is empty before use. Press the power button to turn the steamer on. The ready symbol will light up green when it is ready for use. Carefully open the steamer by slowly lifting the handle, allowing some steam to escape before fully opening the door. Insert your pan, making sure that food is evenly dispersed throughout it so that it will evenly cook. Turn the timer to the appropriate time. A sound will alert you when your food is ready. Turn off the timer and remove the pan carefully as when inserting it. The steamer will remain ready for use until turned off. To clean the steamer, wipe down the outside with a suitable stainless steel solution. Then you will wipe down the inside with a clean rag and allow it to air dry. For equipment maintenance, you will notice a deliming port. See your instructor for guidance or consult the equipment manual.